Hello everyone, today we have a 2017 Nissan Titan XD with a Cummins Turbo Diesel. This is a rear-wheel drive vehicle. It's running good. Take you for a tour. You guys have the tow hooks up front, alloy wheels, running boards, and a long bed. Power sliding back window in the regular cab. That's your receiver for your tow package. Go ahead and take you for a tour of the interior. So it does have fabric seats. We'll go ahead and turn the stereo down. Okay, as we come over here, you're going to see that it has 29,313 miles on this vehicle. There's your push to talk and your stereo controls. So it does have AM, FM, and auxiliary. There's your XM. Here's your media for your phone, which will come in through your USB or auxiliary ports. Your cruise control, your push button start, you've got your trailer controls, additional power supplies, your blind spot monitor, and also there's your backup camera and your CD drive. Just come over here, you've got your lockable glove compartment. Down here you have your key fob and your cup holder. As you come up above, you're gonna have your map reading lights, sunglasses holder, sliding back window. That about wraps it up for this Nissan Titan on the interior. This particular vehicle does have a branded title. The airbags is not deployed, there was no structural damage, so we got it all fixed up. It has passed the 150-point inspection and the state of Utah safety inspection. For more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com.